From first selling balloons to becoming India's largest tire manufacturer, here's the incredible story of MRF, whose stock price has grown by more than 8,000 times since IPO. And that story began in 1946 when MRF's founder K.M. Mappille went door to door in Chennai to sell balloons. During this time, he noticed that India relied on foreign players for tread rubber, which was needed to make old tires reusable again. So he started making his own high quality tread rubber, giving birth to MRF, short for Madras Rubber Factory. And in just 4 years, it captured a whopping 50% of the tread rubber market in India. MRF then wanted to make its own tires but faced stiff competition from foreign players like Dunlop and Goodyear, who engaged in almost cartel-like practices. But then the Indian government started supporting Indian companies, and in 1963, Prime Minister Nehru himself laid the first foundation stone at the MRF factory. To boost its own brand image, MRF hired Alec Padmasi, the father of Indian advertising. He listened to truck drivers who wanted strong tires. And so the iconic MRF Muscle Man was born. By 1967, MRF turned the tables and started exporting to the US. In the 1980s, it became the largest nylon passenger car tire and a leading truck tire seller in India. And they even had their logo on Sachin Tendulkar's bat, making a whole generation think for a moment that MRF was a bat manufacturer.